you for stopping by Love by Jacqueline. I am Jacqueline, and I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you to my new friends that are going to be coming aboard. This is day one for me. My channel is based on crafting, so follow along. More so crafting than anything, but I will be telling you about Dollar Tree and those penny finds. I want you to travel with me because I'm telling you, I be killing those deals. And when I do those deals, I get enough to share with my family and friends because it's not like I'm stealing. I'm getting it for a penny, and you can too. So don't let nobody say, oh, you're doing too much. Oh, that is greedy. Oh, you just didn't get up to go find it. If you can find it and it's not greedy to you, go get your 10 of them. 10 cents. I mean, so I'm not the one to judge. Do what you have to do, because some of those people that do get 500 of them, they are donating to the schools. They are donating to less fortunate. So keep doing what you're doing, people. And I think sometimes Dollar Tree put it out there just to get rid of it instead of throwing it in the trash. But then you do have those Dollar Trees that just throw it in the trash and dare you to dumpster dive. Also, I will be going to Dollar General. When I go to Dollar General, I have penny finds there, but I also find a lot of savings. I'll take you along on that journey. And then my favorite place to go is the thrift store. Listen, when I go to the thrift store, I go looking for craft items so I could keep this journey going that I'm on with my crafts. And then I can pay, if I can't find it in the thrift store, I eventually end up going to Michael's or Hobby Lobby. But Hobby Lobby is my store. It's like, oh, kids in the candy store. I be running all around that store. I'm telling you, it's like I don't know which way to go because everything's so bright and lit. Not advertising for Michael's. I'm not advertising for Hobby Lobby. I just love those stores. But when I'm not going to those stores to find things, I go to my local thrift store. And there's one in this town that, oh my God, every time I go in there, it's like, jackpot, baby. And they be like, Jacqueline is in this store. Yeah, when I find something for $20 or less that usually is 40, 50 bucks, I tell you, I've found several trimmers to paper cutters and things like that where people are paying 20 bucks and up. I got them for $3 and $4. Brand new. And I'll show you some of those things as we journey along. And again, I thank y'all for taking the time to listen to me today. And let me give a shout out to a couple of people. I followed several people on here. I seen them from day one, and then now 3 to 10 years later. They are doing wonderful. I won't name them because I don't remember their names, but there's 2 people in particular that I do remember. And I don't know them personally. It's just I've been following them, looking at their crafts, and then take their crafts and make it up the way I want to. But I still think they're the bomb. They're the bomb. And I'm going to call out Paper Poise Lady. I love her attitude. I love her glow, her shine, and all of her stuff. It makes me feel bad because I make things crooked and don't know how to get them back straight. It's like the first time she do it, and I don't know if she's retaken or whatever, but it always comes out perfect to me. And I'm like, how does she do that? But shout out to Paper Poise Lady. I see you done got your sister on board, Miss T, over at Miss T's Crafty Corner. I'm loving y'all crafts. I'm telling you, I'm going to get like y'all as I continue to go along, even though I've been doing crafts a long time, but journals, boxes, and cards is something I never done. But because of you guys, y'all have inspired me. And I know your sister just started out. Keep it up, Miss T. You're doing wonderful. I love it. I think you probably 10 months to a year in. But I got to tell you, you're killing the game. And y'all just motivate me to do it. I say, I'm going to step out. I'm going to step out. You know how many years it's been since I've been saying I'm going to step out? 3 or more. And finally, I'm stepping out. And along this journey, people, y'all will hear me being encouraging. You're going to be some sad moments to tell you, how did I get to be loved by Jacqueline? I was once Jacqueline's creation, but somebody stole my name and started doing crafts and stuff. So I didn't want to be putting my stuff out there and then y'all going to her page or whatever. And I'm not knocking her. She's doing some great cups. I love it. I love it. So, and then some bad stuff happened during the time of Jacqueline's creation that made me say, you know what? I want to be loved, and I want to love on people and people to love me as well. So Love by Jacqueline, and that's me. Also, I would like to ask you to join my new Facebook group. It's called Creativity and Healing with Jacqueline. It's fresh, it's new. If you just happen to be scrolling along Facebook, ask me for an ad and I'll add you in, and tell me about your craft. Yeah, I don't care what the craft is, and tell us why you made that craft, what it made you feel, what's the story behind the crafts, because that is what the group is all about. And you'll also see the things that I've had to endure, which made me start the channel in the first place. Not the channel, but the group in the first place. And this channel right here is Loved by Jacqueline. So I'm out, people, and I'm going to send you this love. I love you. I'm out.